6 o'clock already, I was just in the middle of a dream. I was kissing